In this lesson, I will be talking about the process of transforming a physical painting into a digital work of art. I want to begin by talking about a painting that I hold very dear to me. It's called Desnuda sobre el lienzo, Nude on Canvas it's called, and it's by an artist called Lucy Enriquez. I own the physical painting and I own the physical certificate for it. If you actually were to go to Galerías Lucy, you'll see that my painting was sold, but this painting actually has its own corresponding NFT. The NFT was actually produced and certified by a group called Dintav, and actually I have the certificate of ownership for that physical painting. Now, in addition to the physical paintings, Lucy also sells digital representations of artwork, and she does that on OpenSea, very similar to what you will be learning in this course. So for instance, these are digital NFTs of some of the paintings. The original painting still exists, but you can buy the digital NFT of it. So what I will be presenting to you now is how to create a physical piece and sell the digital representation of it on an exchange. And to do so, I'm going to create a performance piece. I'm actually going to record a video, and I will then transform that video onto an NFT, which I'm going to sell on OpenSea. So first thing I want to point out to you is that since I presented to you the initial Did You Buy the Dip NFT, I created 2 additional NFTs and I've listed them for sale on OpenSea. I didn't have to pay extra to be able to list these and create these new NFTs. Why? Because you only have to do that once. So right now, these 3 NFTs are available for sale on OpenSea, and these are NFTs I've created. What I'm going to be doing now is, in the next lesson, I'm going to take you through the process of recording a video of a performance piece, and then in the subsequent lesson, I'm going to take that video and I'm going to actually upload it into OpenSea and make it available as a digital NFT. So, as you will see in the subsequent lessons, I will teach you how to make a performance video or some sort of video for a performance, whether it's playing guitar or singing, or maybe you're creating a work of art and you want to turn that into an NFT. I'm going to be doing all that in a video, and then I will take that video and I will, in the following lesson, create it as an NFT inside OpenSea, just as I created these 3 NFTs previously.